Here we have a geometry problem on angle measures. There is a figure given here and we have to find the value of y. Okay, let's consider the triangle we have over here and the three quantities 2x, 3x and 4x. So are the interior angle measures of this triangle. In any triangle, the three interior angle measures will add up to 180 degree. So the three interior angle measures 2x, 3x and 4x must add up to 180. So it can be equated to 180 and let's solve for x. Okay, to solve for x, first we have to combine the three terms we have on the left side over here. When I combine 2x and when I add 2x, 3x and 4x, I'm getting 9x equals to 180. So when I divide both sides by 9, so this 9 will cancel out and 9 goes into 9 one times, 9 goes into 18 twice and we have 0 over here. So I'm getting x equals to 20. So when x equals to 20, this quantity will become 4 times 20 will become 80. And here when I plug in x equals to 20, 2 times 20 and this quantity will become 40. Already we know that this is the angle on the straight line. Angle on a straight line will always measure 180 degree. So in this 180 degree angle measure, so this particular part is 80, this particular part is 40 and what is the measure of this part? So to know the measure of the part over here, I have to add this 80 and 40. The result has to be subtracted from 180. When I add 80 and 40, I'm getting 120. When I subtract 120 from 180, I'm getting 60. So this the measure of this part is 60. Okay, let's consider the triangle we have over here. In this triangle, for these two sides, there are markings over here. So these two markings indicate the length of this side and the length of this side are equal. So in a triangle, if two sides are equal in length, then the angle measures which are opposite to the sides of equal length must be equal in measure. So the angle measure over here, it's opposite to this side, and the angle measure over here is opposite to this side. Already we know that these two sides are equal in length. Then the angle measures opposite to these two sides must be equal in measure. Already we know that the angle measure over here is 60 and the angle measure over here also must be 60 because these two angle measures are opposite to the lengths, opposite to the sides of the triangle, equal in length. Okay, what must be the third interior angle measure of this triangle? So already we know that the three interior angle measures of a triangle will add up to 180. So we know that this is 60 and this is 60 and the third interior angle measure must be 60. So these three interior angle measures will add up to 180. Okay, here there is a point of intersection of two lines over here. So whenever two lines are intersecting at a point and the two angle measures which are opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles and they must be equal in measure. So here at the point of intersection, so angle measure y and angle measure 60 are opposite to each other. So y and 60 are considered to be vertically opposite angles and they must be equal. So the value of y equals to 60.